Yeah, hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another tutorial that is like Jetpack Compose. So here we will concentrate on Jetpack Compose in these tutorials. This is the first tutorial of the Jetpack Compose. So in this Jetpack Compose, there are a lot of benefits, a lot of things which are there here. So those we will see here one by one. Because nowadays it is the one of the major and it is becoming the popular. So this is like first of all we would like to understand what is Jetpack Compose. So Jetpack Compose is a modern UI toolkit. Like it is a modern UI toolkit for building the native Android application. So it is a simple words. It is a modern UI toolkit. So modern UI toolkit to build native applications. So it simplifies and accelerate the UI development by allowing developers to describe the UI in code using the declarative approach. So in a simple format, we can design that UI like previously normally for Android development. So we are using two things, like one is an XML and other is the Kotlin code or Java. But now to overcome that two files and it will be this Jetpack Compose is now it is in trending. So that we will see here. First of all, in this tutorial, first we'll see that key benefits. So afterwards, we'll concentrate on features one by one. So first key benefits of this is the first one, like it is very less code. So it will be less code. So that Compose often requires that less code to achieve the same UI compared in a traditional XML layout. Like it is leading to increase the development speed and reduce the maintenance overhead. So instead of changing there and here, so in place, single place, you have to change that. So that is the first benefit of this. Next is the declarative approach. So that is like declarative approach means like you design the desired UI states and compose will handle that rendering and updates automatically. So this makes the code more concise, easier to read, and less errors. So that everything can be handled here itself. That is the one is that. Next one is the Kotlin first. So this compose is built with Kotlin in mind, leveraging its modern language features for smooth and efficient development experience. So this will be like there's some more benefits that will be here. Next, it will be a powerful tools. So these powerful tools like Compose provides the range of tools and libraries to assist the common UI tasks such as animations, theming, and state management. So these all are the things. It's the powerful tool. It will provide that. So that is this. Next, improved. Next is an improved performance. So it has an improved performance. Like Compose leverages the modern rendering techniques to deliver smooth and permanent UIs, even in case if it is a complex scenarios also, it will easily can manage them. So that is the one more benefit here. The next one will be here, easier maintenance. So Previously, it was like maintenance could be different, but now it is an easily maintenance also easy in compared to the previous. So that is maintenance will be easy compared to the previous. So like declarative of nature of compose makes easy to understand, modify, and use like time saving. That like kind of there is this. Next is the strong community support. So it has now huge community to support that community and support. So we are getting because it's on a trending now. So everyone are giving that support and also that large community and a growing community. It's actively supported by Google and ongoing that it has this. So in summarize that, like in summarize for this tutorial, this first video. So Jetpack Compose offers a significant improvement in the Android UI development experience, right? By providing more concise, declarative, declarative and performant approach, right? So it is a powerful tool that can help you to build a beautiful and efficient Android application with less efforts. So that is the main motto of this. Not only this, see here, there are other platforms which are there that is similar to like similar in iOS also. They are developing that Swift UI. So that is also almost similar as this, and Flutter is also similar as this. So that's the reason it is having that more feature in this. So that's why you have to maintain this in a strong that is this. Right. So this is like so thank you for watching this. So please subscribe to get more updates on this Jetpack Compose. So from here we will continue one by one other topics. Thank you.